What are the menu options on ideal weight feeding? We have created ideal feeding in such a way that it gives you a lot of freedom to set up menus for different feed groups. What we call a feed group is cows that are getting the same feed outside the parlor. That we call a feed group, and they can be managed by one menu because they get the same feed outside of the parlor. So, but you can have different menus for different groups of animals on your farm. Even if they get the same feed and you want to feed them differently, the different groups of animals on your farm, you are free to do that, because the menus are always set up according to what the cows are getting outside the parlor, and then the menu will feed the cow what she still needs to fulfill her nutritional requirements inside the parlor. So I've said that you can set up menus according to groups. You can also divide your cows into bigger and smaller cows, because especially on the pasture-based system, we know that the potential for grass intake is higher on the smaller cows than on the bigger cows. So you must take that into account when you set up the menus and feed them a little bit differently. What you also can do is you can then further subdivide these two groups into fresh cows and cows later in lactation. Or you can have them in cows that are not pregnant and cows that are already pregnant. The sky is the limit. You can decide. Ideal weight feeding is set up in such a way that it will fit to your requirement, and you can decide which cows you want to feed in a certain way. Ideal weight can handle up to 10 different feed groups of different menus. So you have got a lot of room to move and have different groups. And then the menu is set up according to what each cow is getting outside of the parlor. So that will determine what the menu settings is for inside the parlor. On the feed menus, you've got the option to put totally your own settings in the feed menus. Nothing is fixed. So you can put in your own minimum concentrate levels, your own maximum concentrate levels, the milk they must produce to achieve this, and the system will use that to calculate each cow's feed for her daily accurately. You also can determine how many days you want to feed lead feeding for. So you can, if you want the one group to have more days for lead feeding and the other group less days for lead feeding, you are free to do that if you've got a reason why you want to do that. And then also on lead feeding, you will be able to set a minimum of feed for the lead feeding period to help that cow to get out of the blocks during the start of lactation. There will also be a maximum for each cow when it comes to concentrates to prevent her from getting acidosis. That will be calculated from the maximum you set in your menu, and that for each cow will be a maximum of concentrate as percentage of body weight. So it doesn't matter if she produces 100 liters of milk, she won't go over that maximum to prevent her from getting acidosis. You can also change the body score targets for the cows during lactation, and you can have different targets for different groups at different stages in milk. Ideal weight feeding is currently working on the 1 to 5 scale as well as the 1 to 7 scale, but it can be expanded to handle other scales as well. And the system will automatically feed the cow more if she's under condition to help her to bring her on condition, and then will take away the feed that she reaches her ideal dry off condition. It all sounds very complicated, but the menus are actually very simple. So it's easy to set up menus, easy to make small changes, and especially we've made it for the farmer of the manager very easy to make small changes on a daily basis. Say for instance, the cow's food is not up to standard and he feeds a little bit more, or the food is very good on quality, especially on a pasture-based farm, and you know you can get away with less concentrate today, then you can make small changes. And if you know it's going to be very cold and rainy and windy, you want to feed more, that's very simple and easy to make changes, and you can make different changes for different groups on the farm. So like I said, it all sounds complicated, but the menus are very simple and easy to set up. The system will do all the calculations for you and to feed each cow individually on what she must get according to all these factors like her milk production, her body weight, her stage of lactation, her condition, is she too thin, is she too fat, that will automatically be done for you. So yeah, it's a simple input for a very complex output, as you can say it that way. So we've made it so that it's simple.